Folks, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a Bighorn Traveler. It's a 37 dB. We're going to go inside and take a look at some of the features inside. Folks, this is an amazing bunkhouse. It's got two full bathrooms. You've got a bunk room, which gives you 3 bunks. It also has a sofa that turns into a bed, and then a bathroom in the very rear of the trailer. It has an island kitchen with a residential fridge, gas grill top, gas oven. Then you step up, you've got the main bathroom, and it's got a nice king bed in the master bedroom. Folks, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. You can reach me direct on my cell phone at 541-521-8914.